So this is it. Let me put the camera here for a bit. I'm gonna go get the cheese. Did I say cheese? No, I'm gonna go get the ham. Look at this. I have to show you this. I'm gonna put a piece of ham in there. Let me set the camera down for a bit. So this is the first one. See that? Ooh. This is great. Look at the cheese melting inside. This is it. Here we have my famous grilled ham and cheese sandwiches made in Namibia with only a fry pan, and that's all you need when you go camping. With a fry pan. This morning we made some the famous huevos a la mexicana. So we got all kinds of stuff there coming up, and a nice place like here. Let me look. Let me have you guys have a little look at the. There's some birds there. They're trying to get to my bread. You know, here this is a campground, so I've got everybody comes here and they spend the night, and we at night we go and watch which animal will come down and drink water. This is the truck I'm driving today. Toyota Land Cruiser. I wish I had one of them in Mexico. This is the tent that I had with me today. The real tourists, you can rent some of these trucks that you see over there, no? See, there's other people like me here with tents. It's a group of people. So we all have places to eat, kitchen and toilet and shower. It's very well organized. And all that for $20. You know, you got a fireplace, power, so it's very good. Okay, this is all burning. Walk around. I'm gonna turn it down a bit because that's high. See, it's actually melting, so I'm going to turn it off. Alright, thanks for watching, and then we'll see you soon. And stay away from the sun. I got burned today, so we got too much sun when you're on a safari. Okay, bye. Lovely sunset in Namibia.